watching the videos, and I hope all you are reading with the help of videos and reading with the help of textbook also. Now see, उस्ताद बीबी ज़ैनब, हजारे कार्तिक, वाले सिद्दीक, भोरे आयुष, मखदूम श्रेयसी, पाटिल प्रसाद, ढेरे कुणाल, राजमाने रुच्या, देवकर ओजस, पाटिल वेदांत and पाटिल श्रेया. All you are watching the video. Is it right? No? You have to follow the study related instructions. Okay, now let's read. Let's start the reading of second topic, that is the funny shirt. Okay, topic second, the funny shirt, page number on 21. Abdul the tailor and his son Amin had a shop. It was at the top of a very high mountain. Whenever they opened the doors or windows, the clouds floated into the shop. Abdul was not able to see anything inside the shop. When this happened, one morning Abdul sat down to stitch clothes. He opened the windows. Soon clouds floated in, then some more, and soon the shop was filled with the clouds. Abdul sat and stitched. He could not see a thing, but he stitched and stitched. Very soon he stitched 3 shirts, but all 3 had something wrong with them. One shirt had 4 sleeves. This is that shirt. The other shirt had only 1 long sleeve. See here. The last one had no sleeve, just the neck. See here. Soon Amin come in. He saw the shirt. What have you stitched? He asked his father. No one is going to buy these funny shirts. I think you can't see properly. You need spectacles. So off they went to the doctor. My father needs spectacles. He can't see properly, Amin told the doctor. You see, he stitched 3 funny shirts. Now no one is going to buy them. Look at these shirts with just 1 long sleeve. The doctor jumped from his chair and said, "Give this shirt to me. This is just the thing I was looking for." He paid Abdul for the shirt and gave him a pair of spectacles. Give him lots of carrots to eat, he added. The doctor went home and put the funny shirts on his giraffe. There he said, "You really look handsome." Abdul and Amin went to buy carrots. "We want some carrots," said Amin. "You see, my father can't sleep properly, and so he stitched 3 funny shirts. Look at this one with 4 sleeves instead of 2. 4 sleeves? That is wonderful," said the vegetable seller. He paid Abdul for the shirt and gave him some carrots. Then he called out, "Ruff, come here." From inside the house came a watchdog. The vegetable seller put the 4-sleeved shirt on the dog and said, "This is just the right size for you." Ruff barked to say thank you. Abdul and Amin now had some money. Amin said, "Let's buy a lamp." They went to the lamp seller. "Please show us a lamp," said Amin. "My father is a tailor. He can't see when cloud enter our shop. Look at these funny shirts he had made. It has no sleeves, only a neck. he added. The lamp seller looked at the shirt and thought for some time. He then said, "Only a neck. Sell it to me. It is just what I wanted. But promise to stitch another one for me." Abdul nodded happily and said, "Of course I will. I have a set of tablas. Dust falls on them. My hands get dirty when I play them. These shirts are going to cover them and keep them clean." The lamp seller said. He gave Abdul some money and a big lamp. He said, "With this lamp you can see even when clouds come into your shop." How right he was. Now Abdul stitched many shirts. He puts on the big lamp whenever he wants to see what he is stitching. There is a secret I want to share with you. Sometimes Abdul sits in his cloud-filled shop and stitched off the lamp. Can you guess what he does then? Of course, he stitches the most funny clothes that you can find in the market. So next time you find a funny dress in shop, you know that Abdul has stitched it with the lamp switched off. Students, you have to read the lesson and send me audio clip. Thank you.